Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact VIL service unit and why you must stop it. This ensures you don't halt a critical dependency. Use system tools to read name, PID, and status, and verify you have sudo or root access to make changes. Once done, backup configuration files and note other services that depend on VIL, and pause any scheduled tasks or watches that could relaunch it. This prevents immediate restart while you proceed to the safe stop steps. You perform a controlled stop by issuing a graceful stop command, for example, systemtl stop VIL. Service. That lets the service shut down cleanly and flush state. If the process hangs, send sigterm to allow cleanup, wait, then escalate to sigkill only when necessary. Check logs to understand the hang and avoid repeating the issue. Make sure to disable auto restart policies and mask the unit if you must prevent any accidental relaunch while you troubleshoot or reconfigure. You finish by verifying the service is truly stopped. Check systemtl status, PS for lingering PIDs, and ports with netstat or SS to ensure nothing is listening. Then persist your change by disabling the service, removing enable flags, and updating any config management so it doesn't re-enable on reboot. If the service keeps restarting, make sure to review journoctl logs and any core dumps to find the restart trigger. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause and prevents recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.